Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 305i, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So for me, home screen is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible right now on the display. Once that is the case, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this animation. If you're doing this the first time around, it will give you a little bit of a guide right here visible. So touch to view and edit it. So got it. Then touch to start scrolling. This is only accessible when you have content that you can actually scroll down on, such as settings as an example. Next, we have share and also delete, which I just decided to kind of omit. Anyway, this thing that shows up on the side with your screenshot does disappear after a moment, as you can see. Once it does so, you can find your screenshot in your gallery application, which is actually right over here. So you will be able to see it in your photos gallery at the very top if you have just captured the screenshot, but you should also be able to find it under folders, aka albums, and you can see that it creates an album called screenshots, and here you should have only screenshots that have captured over the time. And here's the one that I have captured on the video. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.